Think you've seen every tool out there? Think again. In this video, we're showcasing 14 amazing next-level tools you must have, whether you're deep into DIY, a professional builder, or just love smart tools. These tools are powerful, precise, and built for serious efficiency. From compact innovations to tech-powered game changers, tool number 9 will absolutely blow your mind. Let's jump in and upgrade your toolbox to the next level. When you're working in tight spaces or dealing with fasteners at awkward angles, a traditional wrench set often falls short. Having to carry multiple tools slows you down and clutters your workspace. The Haisstronica Flex Head Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set delivers a compact and versatile solution for tackling repairs and maintenance with minimal hassle. This clever design combines 12 SeeSii-sized wrench heads into one streamlined tool, so you can leave the bulky toolbox behind. A 72-tooth gear mechanism provides smooth operation and requires only a 5-degree swing arc, perfect for confined or hard-to-reach areas. Its 180-degree flex head easily adjusts to awkward angles, while the quick-release mechanism and spring locks let you switch sizes effortlessly. The included 3/8-inch adapter converts the wrench into a socket wrench for added convenience. Made of durable chrome vanadium steel, this multifunction wrench is built to handle everyday tasks around the home, garage, or workshop with lasting reliability. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, a cordless reciprocating saw is indispensable for fast, rough cutting in places where other saws can't reach. The WORKPRO cordless reciprocating saw packs power, versatility, and user-friendly design into one essential cutting tool. Its variable speed motor delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute, paired with a 1-inch stroke length that removes material quickly for faster cuts. The tool-free blade release chuck makes blade changes effortless, while the adjustable pivoting shoe lets you tackle tough cuts in tight spaces. Equipped with a 4A lithium-ion battery, you get long-lasting runtime and a quick 2-hour recharge so you can keep working with minimal downtime. For comfort and safety, it features an ergonomic soft grip handle and a safety lock. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or demolition debris, this cordless reciprocating saw is built to handle your projects with speed and control. Cutting and preparing electrical and communication wires requires precision, safety, and efficiency. Ordinary scissors or utility knives can leave ragged edges, slip off smooth insulation, or quickly dull, leading to unsafe and unreliable results. The Klein Tool's Freefall Snip is a reliable cutting tool designed for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its durable stainless steel blades stay sharp for clean, precise cuts every time. Full serrations on the blades provide a strong, non-slip grip on wires and materials. The extended handles offer excellent comfort and leverage, reducing hand strain during repetitive tasks. Thanks to its innovative freefall design, the snip opens easily for quick, effortless cutting. Ideal for electrical and communication work, it cleanly handles wires ranging from 19 AWG to 23 AWG. Whether you're trimming cables or tackling fine wiring jobs, this snip is a dependable addition to any toolkit. Crimping electrical connectors securely is critical for safe, reliable wiring. Whether you're installing heat shrink terminals in automotive projects, working with solar connections, or wiring household circuits, poor crimps can lead to weak connections, electrical shorts, or even fire hazards. The Haisstronica Crimping Tool Set is an all-in-one solution for tackling a wide variety of crimping tasks, from heat shrink and insulated connectors to open barrel and solar connectors. Its upgraded rapid replacement system lets you swap crimping dies quickly without dealing with loose jaws, saving time and frustration. A precise star wheel mechanism allows you to fine-tune crimping pressure for secure, reliable connections every time. The smooth ratcheting action and ergonomic handle reduce hand fatigue and improve efficiency, whether you're an electrician working all day or a DIYer handling weekend projects. Versatile and user-friendly, this crimper is designed to deliver professional results across countless applications. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or an everyday DIY enthusiast, having the right screwdriver on hand is essential for completing repairs, maintenance, and assembly tasks correctly and safely. The WORKPRO 17-piece screwdriver set is designed to tackle virtually any fastening job with ease and precision. This comprehensive kit includes 9 slotted and 7 Phillips screwdrivers in a range of sizes, plus a miniature slotted driver and a convenient 1/8-inch slotted pocket knife screwdriver. All blades and shafts are crafted from hardened steel to ensure durability and corrosion resistance. Each screwdriver features an acetate handle with fluted sides, textured thumb grips, and a ball end for superior comfort and control. The precision machine tips deliver a secure fit that prevents slipping and cam out, while the color-coded handles help you quickly identify tip types. Stored in a rugged zippered pouch with elastic sleeves, this set is ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, making it an indispensable addition to any toolbox. When dealing with large equipment, heavy-duty vehicles, or stubborn over-torqued fasteners, manual wrenches and low-torque tools often fail to deliver the power needed. The SeeSii cordless impact wrench delivers serious muscle where lesser tools fall short. Offering a massive 1,180 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, it's engineered to handle heavy-duty tasks like large vehicle repairs, construction equipment maintenance, and stubborn bolts that refuse to budge. The extended capacity 5 ampere-hours battery ensures long run times, so you spend more time working and less time recharging. For added versatility, it features both forward and reverse operation, plus a brake stop function that prevents loosened nuts from flying off. The 3/4-inch chuck accepts a wide range of sockets, and the built-in LED light improves visibility in dim workspaces. Rugged, powerful, and designed for professional use, this cordless impact wrench is a dependable solution for demanding jobs. For professionals who rely on efficiency and organization, having a reliable and customizable tool storage system is essential. The DeWalt Tstak Toolbox system delivers modular, durable, and customizable storage designed for professionals on the move. Comprising 4 separate units, each can be stacked and locked together to build a personalized storage solution tailored to your trade. Smooth ball-bearing slides ensure drawers and compartments open and close effortlessly, while built-in comfortable handles make carrying easier across the job site. Made from rugged polypropylene, these toolboxes withstand tough conditions without compromising durability. The small parts organizer features 2 divided drawers for easy access to screws and accessories, while the pull-out drawer unit offers removable compartments with lids for hand tool organization. Larger units provide spacious interiors with options for foam inserts, perfect for protecting power tools during transport. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the DeWalt Tstak system is ideal for electricians, carpenters, HVAC installers, and other tradesmen who need reliable, versatile storage that keeps their tools safe and ready for work. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, having a reliable and versatile fastening tool is essential for completing projects efficiently and with precision. The WORKPRO 6-in-1 electric staple gun delivers power, versatility, and convenience in one compact tool. This highly adaptable staple gun is compatible with 6 different fastener types, including T50, JT21, T25, and T20 staples, as well as VN18 brad nails and pin nails, so you're always prepared for any project. A built-in viewing window makes it easy to see when you're running low on staples, preventing unexpected interruptions. With a firing speed of up to 60 staples per minute, you can tackle large surfaces efficiently and keep your workflow smooth. The contact actuation mode lets you drive long rows of staples without straining your hand or breaking your rhythm. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for a wide range of home improvement and professional tasks like upholstery, carpeting, weather stripping, and fastening fabric. Whatever your stapling needs, the WORKPRO 6-in-1 staple gun helps you build a better project with speed and precision. For anyone working with wood, metal, or other surfaces, achieving a smooth, professional finish is crucial. Sanding by hand can be time-consuming, inconsistent, and physically demanding. That's where the Bosch Random Orbit Sander comes in. Its ergonomic design and versatile grip positions help reduce user fatigue, while its random orbit action ensures even sanding without leaving swirl marks. Efficient dust extraction keeps your workspace clean and improves visibility. Adjustable speed control lets you tailor the tool to different materials, preventing damage and improving results. Whether you're refinishing furniture, preparing surfaces for painting, or smoothing rough edges, this sander is an essential tool for saving time, improving finish quality, and enhancing overall productivity. For professional painters and remodelers, having the right tools that combine safety, convenience, and functionality is essential. The Hyde folding painter's tools deliver safety, convenience, and versatility in one compact design. Crafted from stainless steel, these tools fold safely into the handle to eliminate accidental jabs or stabs when reaching into your pocket or belt. Available in two versions, single blade and dual blade. The single blade model features a multi-purpose scraper ideal for surface scraping, crack cleaning, and roller maintenance. The dual blade version adds a flexible putty knife for added functionality. Both include a stainless steel paint can opener built into the handle's butt. A safety lock prevents accidental folding during use, ensuring reliable performance on every job. Whether you're cleaning rollers, scraping surfaces, or opening paint cans, the Hyde folding painter's tools keep your essentials close, safe, and ready. For woodworking and metalworking professionals, precise sanding is essential to achieve smooth, accurate finishes. Traditional sanding methods can be inefficient and messy, with poor dust control and limited adjustability. The RIDGID R4840 sander combines convenience, versatility, and durability for efficient sanding projects. Its quick-release belt tensioning system allows tool-free belt changes, saving you time on the job. Equipped with 5 sizes of spindles and spacers, it ensures excellent dust collection for a cleaner workspace. The adjustable sanding table lets you set precise angles for accurate sanding. A 1.5-inch dust port easily connects to a wet or dry vacuum or dust collector, improving dust management. Built with a tubular frame, rubber feet, and lockdown holes, this sander minimizes vibration and stays firmly in place during use. Whether you're shaping wood or smoothing metal, the RIDGID R4840 delivers reliable performance and professional results. Every household and workshop needs a reliable, easy-to-use screwdriver that can handle a variety of tasks quickly and efficiently. The Bosch IXO Screwdriver meets this need by combining compact design with powerful functionality, making it perfect for tightening or loosening screws in tight spaces and awkward angles. The Bosch IXO Screwdriver features an intuitive forward-reverse switch that's easy to reach and prevents accidental direction changes. Its new lighting system offers 2 modes, a focused spotlight for small areas and scattered light for larger spaces, ensuring your work area is always perfectly lit. Designed with a compact, ergonomic shape and soft grip, it's comfortable to use for extended periods. The battery charge indicator lights up red when power falls below 30%, and the micro USB port allows for quick, convenient charging. Versatility is enhanced with optional adapters, including a torque setting to protect screw heads and surfaces, an angled adapter for tight corners, and an offset angle adapter for edges. Beyond screwing tasks, the IXO is handy around the house, helping open bottles, season food, light barbecues, and even cut soft materials up to 6 millimeters thick. The Bosch IXO makes everyday tasks easier and more fun. For professionals and DIYers working with metal, masonry, or other tough materials, having a reliable and efficient angle grinder is essential. The Ryobi 18-volt 1+ HP brushless 4 inches to 1/2 inch angle grinder cutoff tool delivers powerful performance with up to 30% faster cutting and up to 200 cuts per charge, thanks to its advanced 1+ HP technology. Designed for efficiency, it features tool-free wheel and guard adjustments that allow quick transitions between cutting and grinding tasks. The paddle switch offers easy control, while the quick change 2-in-1 guard and 3-position comfort grip side handle provide optimal versatility and user comfort. Compact yet durable, this angle grinder is perfect for metal cutting, grinding, and more. Part of the Ryobi 1+ system, it's compatible with a wide range of 18-volt batteries, making it a versatile addition to your tool collection. Working in tight or awkward spaces often makes driving screws with a regular drill challenging or even impossible. Traditional drill bits lack the flexibility to reach confined angles, causing frustration, inefficiency, and sometimes damage to materials. The KWB Pivoting Bit Holder features a swivel-mounted ball head that seamlessly fits any standard drill, making it perfect for installing screws in tight or hard-to-reach spaces where regular drills can't fit. Its 20-degree swivel capability allows for optimal positioning, reducing strain, and making screwing tasks easier and more precise. Equipped with an additional snap ring, the bit stays securely fixed in place, preventing dropouts during use. This design helps eliminate the hassle of awkward angles and ensures smooth, efficient fastening every time. Whether you're working in cramped corners or challenging angles, the KWB Pivoting Bit Holder provides the flexibility and reliability you need to get the job done quickly and effortlessly. Say goodbye to frustrating screw installations and let this pivoting bit holder make your projects easier. So that wraps up our list of 14 incredible tools that take DIY, repair, and construction to the next level. Which one do you think is a total must-have? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this roundup helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews, gear guides, and tool tips. Until next time, stay sharp, build smart, and always be ready with the right tools.